Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B, and I'm back today to share with you a new recipe that I'm trying to create with my son, who is a chef. Guys, I'm not sure if you're familiar with the soup called Yaka Mein, like in lo mein, Mein. It is a Louisiana Creole type of soup. However, unfortunately, I'm not able to taste the flavors of that soup due to the fact that a lot of the soups have beef, which I really don't eat, seafood, which I'm allergic to, and they have pork, which I don't eat. So, speaking with my son, the chef, I asked him, I said, well, why don't we try turkey? His suggestion was to use turkey breast, but for some reason I just wanted to try the smoked turkey wings, mainly because I love the smoked flavor and I believe that that will give a nice balance and savory taste to the broth. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the ingredients that I'm using for this soup. I'm going to go very, very fast due to the fact that my camera is broken. I have to use my cell phone, and my cell phone tends to cut off without notice, and I'll lose all of my footage. So to get started with this recipe, I have smoked turkey wings. Once again, if you would like to use turkey breast, please feel free. I also have 2 packages of the smoked turkey sausage. Now, this is not part of the authentic Yaka Mein soup. So you Yaka people from Louisiana, don't come after me. This is just a recipe that I'm trying. I know I cannot nowhere near your original recipe. So I'm using the 10-ounce bag of seasoning blend due to the fact that the smoked turkey wings are going to take 3 or maybe 5 hours to cook. So by the time the turkey wings finish cooking, this should have dissipated, but the flavor will still be there. I also have some green onions that will be part of the garnish. A box of spaghetti. Depending upon the number of servings, you may or may not have to use the entire box. I have some eggs. I'm probably going to use maybe 4 to 6 eggs. And guys, that's basically the meaty part of the soup. So now I'm going to get into the seasonings. For this soup, guys, I will be using onion and garlic powder, liquid smoke. This is very concentrated, so you won't need a whole lot. Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce of your choice, soy sauce. I have 2 better than bouillons. As a suggestion from my son, I have the chicken flavored, or roasted chicken. And as per my son, because I want him to know that I am listening, I have the roasted beef flavor. I also have some Creole seasoning, which is Tony Chachere's. You know how to say that, okay? Stop playing. I have the Creole seasoning, or whatever Creole seasoning of your choice, smoked paprika, and Chef Prudhomme's seafood magic, and his poultry magic. So guys, these are the ingredients that I will be using for this soup. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause this particular part, go to part 2, where you will be seeing me washing and starting to cut up the sausage and placing the smoked turkey wings into the pot. I will be cooking these on the stove. However, if you want, they can be cooked in a crock pot. Okay, guys, you know what time it is. Let's get to part 2 and stop playing.